At the University of New South Wales, they've already opened up one of those doorways. They've successfully reversed aspects of ageing in animals. Their target is a specific chemical in the body called NAD.
NAD is a central molecule for life, and without it, we're dead in 30 seconds.
Without NAD, our bodies can't make energy.
One of the major problems with aging is that we lose our ability to make energy through these little power packs called mitochondria, which exist in every cell. What we've discovered is that NAD levels control how many of these mitochondria you have in your cell. And what happens when we're young, we have high levels, and over time it goes down to about 50% of what we once had. And we think that the levels of NAD are critical for our body to be able to defend itself and heal itself and live a longer life.
By adding a supplement to the drinking water of older mice, researchers can artificially raise levels of NAD in cells. The effects are rapid and extraordinary.
So some of the things we've seen are an age reversal in the muscle within a week. And they can run almost twice as far without ever having exercised before. And other things we're seeing is protection from cancer, from chemotherapy, and even diabetes.
Something astounding happened to the ladies too.
So most of our experiments were done on male mice. They just happened to be simpler biochemically than females. But then we started studying female mice, and what we noticed was that the old mice that were given our molecule were able to reproduce for longer.
One of the most exciting experiments I've personally ever seen is happening just behind this doorway. By giving the supplement to older female mice in their drinking water, scientists in this lab have managed to reverse ageing in egg cells.
What we're looking at here is an egg cell from a young mouse. It's the equivalent of a 20-year-old. And what you see here in the blue is DNA, which is wrapped up in these chromosomes. And these chromosomes have to divide evenly between two cells. Now, what happens during old age, the strings which attach normally to the chromosomes, which are in blue, are completely dysfunctional and disorganized.
So it looks essentially like a broken egg. The DNA has gone everywhere.
And as a result, the offspring will either not have the correct number of chromosomes or won't even develop or become fertilized in the first place. And what we found is that by taking an old mouse and then feeding it with a supplement, we're able to completely normalize that.
So that's the equivalent of a how old-year-old woman?
55-year-old woman.
And how soon do you think you might be able to get that out among people? I mean, there's going to be very keen women out there to get this supplement.
We're working as hard as we can on that.
The postmenopausal mice only took the supplement for 3 weeks before their old egg cells became youthful once more.
Theoretically, it would be the same pill. This is the amazing thing. It's really hard to believe that the same pill that would protect you against Alzheimer's and cancer and heart disease would also reverse aging in ovaries and allow you to have children for longer.